About the last video. Well, here you go. So, it's running outside again. Yep, like I said before. Yeah, see all those bells? Yeah. There's the big rainy sky. It's pretty rainy. That's the pen right there. Oh, it's starting to flood over here. It's starting to flood a little over here now. Here's a driveway. Man. See, I can literally make waves. So deep. So deep that I can literally make waves. Then over here. Oh no. It's starting to get a little bit harder. Oh no. Here it comes. Take cover. Oh my God. Start to pour. Is that an airplane? What is that? Ah! Ah! Sorry guys if you can't see anything. It's flooding! Ah! It's flooding! Ah! Ah! It's flooding! Ah! 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 Look over here! Look at that! Look at that! It's like flooded over here! See right here? Oh! Oh my God! That's disgusting water! Oh my God! I'm gonna put my foot in here. It's not deep. Here's the side of the road. Dang, it's deep. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's cold. The water's so... My feet are hurting. Of coldness. Oh, I'm dying. Let's see how deep it is. See right here? That deep. It's already flooding. Especially over here. Especially over here. It basically always gets flooded there. There we go. Over here. Jesus! It's literally flooded over here. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold. Right here.